Hi guys, I'm Ali Akbar. Today we're going to learn how to make parameterized report with BI Publisher in MS Word. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. So let's start. Today we're going to learn report with parameterized using BI Publisher. In my previous lecture, we created a report using BA Publisher without parameter. So today we are learn with parameterized report. So let's start. First of all, you can see in my screen, we would follow these steps in our tutorial. So let's start. In first step, go to share components. You can see it. There are share components. Then scroll down. You can see report. Now we would create report query. Now we create report query from button. Now we are at step 3, report query. Press create button. Type any name which you want. I'm typing Ali. Select output format which you want. Desired for output. I'm selecting default PDF. You can select Word, Excel, HTML, XML. I'm selecting PDF. View file as I'm selecting inline. If I select attachment, then at the last, when we press on a button, then PDF file would be download in your download menu. Okay, if you select inline, then when you will be press button, then report PDF report would be shown in a browser. So now we are clicking next button. But now we are create query button. Now we are at 4 steps. I'm creating very simple and basic query here. I'm created M table, select steric from M, where now we are assign now I am assigning a parameter. You can see where tno is equal to, here we can assign parameter. You can see now I would select this parameter. P search for GNO. Now we select validation successfully. Now we're going to next. We can change report, edit report query from here. Now I'm creating download button for download XML file. You can see now we are step XML file will be downloading your systems. Download, after download, create query report query button. Now create. At the bottom you can see Ali slash 1 is been downloaded in my download menu. Now we are at step, we covered 5 steps. Now we are going to MS Word for make layouts from our save file, XML file. Now I'm creating MS file. I'm creating new MS file, MS Word file. I'm assigning any name. I'm assigning name Ali. You can see here you can see BA Publisher button tab showing in my MS ribbon. You can see when I press BA Publisher, then and select XML, sample XML. No, I would select those XML file which we created. We created lib.xml. You can see time importing this file. You can see data loaded successfully. And maximize the window. Here we can default route, and we can customize. Now we customize layout. We can we can create using wizard, but I'm creating using customize. When go to ribbon tab home in search table, I'm selecting table. You can see now I'm going to move from BA Publisher tab. You can see now I'm assigning field from here. As I created using wizard in my previous lecture. You can see my previous video. Now in this lecture we would create customized layout. Now I'm going to field button. I'm assigning here. Now I'm saying here see field. You can see all available field of that table would be shown on the pop-up window. I'm selecting M code, double click or I press insert button. M code insert in my table. M name, I press insert M. Now I'm sending version name. Now I'm assigning date of joining. Now I'm assigning CNIC. Now I'm assigning telephone number. After that, at the last, I'm assigning gender, date of birth, marriage status, address, city, email. You can design or upload any format, invoice format or any format. You can customize design email. Now press button close. Now I'm assigning M course name. M name. Further name. date of joining, CNIC, gender, sex, male or female, address, city, email. You can create your own invoice format as well as now I'm assigning picture, invoice picture. You can assign picture. You can assign from insert tab, picture. Please wait while loading pictures. The device, from device, UVibes, you can select any picture. You can customize your own beautiful invoice format. I'm just showing you as a sample, a dummy template format. You can upload template format, then assign field. Test report, using BI with UVibes. You can select formatting, any type of formatting. You can change font size, font name, font color. I'm changing font. You can change any type of font. You can change. You can italic, bold. You can double click or right click on field. You can change properties of field, data type. You can change data type. You can assign format of field, data field, text to display, type formatting, data type, function, aggregate. You can assign advanced. You can change any. You can see. You can change color of any field. Yes, I'm saying change name. This is a very beautiful tool for creating very attractive invoice format. So let's start, continue or walk. I'm saving this file as a RTF. Now we are step at after ready layout. Now our layout are ready. What again? Go to report layout and create the button. Now I'm saving this file. We save report as RTF. I'm saving report as desktop. Save. Now we are at step step 9 covered. Now we are going to provide layout name and choose file which we make in MS Word. Now we would upload this RTF in our Apex. I'm going to report layout as I mentioned here. Report layout window, uploading report, assigning. I'm press RTF button. Next, assigning any name, choose file. I'm selecting a file which we created in MS and save as RTF. Create layout. This may be work uploading 4750. You can see in the bottom. File uploaded in Apex. Now I'm going back. Share component. I'm assigning this layout to my query. I will say provide layout name and choose which file we make in MS RTF. We created Ali query. I'm assigning layout. I'm assigning layout Ali which we created. Apply changes. Now we are go report query from share component and copy print. Okay. Now we are going to copy report query. Now we copy just ALI print till P and copy, apply changes. I am creating blank page. You can see be a blank page and I am assigning one field and one button. You can see I am assigning a blank page, created blank page with one static content and one field P. This name we used in our query and one button. Okay, at button no, I'm selected. Now we are going to behavior. Select redirect in page in this window. Target page I'm sending 0 and paste here which we copy, okay, and I'm signing just simple dynamic action. If this dynamic action use if your value not coming in session, I'm just simple dynamic action for session. You can see here begin null and store session and submit my TNO, my field name, action PLSQL code. This need if or value not showing going in session. Now we can see the session. If I refresh, load, session is empty. So guys, we create a blank page with static content, assigning one page item and one button, assign name p34 underscore tno and one dynamic action, simple action. I created action PLSQL and setting PLSQL code, begin, null, end, and atom submitted, and button layout. You can see I'm just changing in behavior. Action I selected from submit page, action tools redirect to this page in this application, and assigning target page, assigning 0, and request I paste that which we copied from report query, cancel. Now we are going to refresh this static page. I'm assigning 1, view, press view button. You can see employee code, this Ali Akbar, company name, address, fish level, everything which we created in our RTF, that would be effective. If I enter 2, press view button, you can see name Ethirali, fish level. As guys, you see our tutorial on PA publisher with parameterized. You can assign one or more parameter from query. So guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. In next tutorial series, and we are working on HTML report. So please subscribe to my channel, share. If you have any query, please comment below of the video. I'm Ali Akbar. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.